Yeah.
Fly, we keep it Indian, rapping all the billions, better from Melbourne to Michigan. We used to live with villains and often killers, but sinners, we never are oblivious of I got the illest. Far from errors, we high five fellas, divine relics, on microphones, we define sickest. Apart from my name, this one thing, these women like saying, dropping the purest of flows. You like that, baby, it's the matches on the show. We like that, the words generic, verbs are methodic, belief was genetic, the fate try and measure it. Imposing intent to fiends, stepping on the evil, I'm crushing the lesser beings beneath my feet and expose your cowardice and keep you on the ground till you know you're powerless. Ain't no pacifist, nah, we ain't never this calm, we do no wrong, but if you do it then we become a demigod, taking forms, leaving enemies harm. So get along, together we be singing this song like this. Yeah. Avidyana mantasthi mera mihira dvipanagiri Jananam chaitanya stabakam karandastudishari. Oh gracious one, you're the sun that dispels the darkness of the unlettered. You're the stream of consciousness for the unthinking fool. You are the all-given precious stone for the poor, for those crowned by the sea of birds to the tusks of the ball. A backflip, burn the devil causing to turn into ashes. With the wrath of a woman combined with raw courage, clash with attacking the sign to cause ruckus, and you're quick to flee out the door, feeling giddy when I'm bold and ready, holding swords and